If there's one thing 2025 has made absolutely clear, it's this. You don't need to be a programmer to make money with AI, but you do need the right skills, the kind of skills that companies, creators, and entrepreneurs are actively paying for right now. And here's the truth nobody tells you. Most people think they need to learn AI to make money, but the people earning the most are actually learning AI-powered skills, not coding. Skills that make you faster, skills that make you smarter, skills that make you irreplaceable, skills that amplify whatever business you want to build. And in this video, I want to walk you through the 11 AI skills I wish I learned earlier. Skills that can make you money online, even if you're starting completely from scratch. And I'll share each skill through the real moment when I realized, oh, this is going to change everything. Skill number 1, AI research and insight extraction. I remember the exact moment this hit me. I was researching for a video script, tabs everywhere, too many articles, and my brain felt fried. Then, for the first time, I used AI not to generate content, but to gather research, analyze patterns, summarize sources, and highlight insights. And suddenly, work that usually took me 4 hours and took 20 minutes. AI research isn't about copying Google results. It's about knowing how to ask layered questions, extract insights, not information, compare sources, turn research into actionable recommendations. Companies pay for this. Creators pay for this. Entrepreneurs desperately need this. How you make money. Research assistant for YouTubers, agencies, writers, market research gigs, competitor analysis, trend forecasting, topic deep dives for podcasts, newsletters, or brands. This skill alone can make you thousands a month because it saves others hundreds of hours. Skill number 2, AI prompt engineering for real-world tasks. This is the moment it clicked. I was trying to get AI to write a cold email for me. It kept sounding robotic, generic, lifeless. Then I changed one line in the prompt, one tiny structural shift, and suddenly the AI output improved by 10x. That's when I realized AI doesn't reward creativity, it rewards clarity. Prompt engineering in 2025 isn't about magic spells. It's about knowing how to talk to AI like a system. Give it context. Define constraints, provide examples, give step-by-step structure, tell it what style, tone, and outcome you want. AI becomes powerful when you become specific. How you make money. Writing AI prompts for agencies, e-commerce brands, creators, building automation templates, selling prompt packs, improving client output quality, consulting on AI workflows for businesses. Prompt engineers today aren't technicians, they're communicators. Skill number 3, AI content repurposing and transformation. This is the moment that changed everything for me. I posted a long-form video, and I wanted to turn it into shorts quotes, a newsletter, a blog, a Twitter thread, a LinkedIn post. And normally that's a whole week of work. But with AI, I turned one script into 7 formats in about 45 minutes. And it hit me. Content isn't king, repurposing is king. This skill is gold for creators and businesses. How you make money. Offer content multiplication services. Run repurposing for local businesses. Turn podcasts into blogs, newsletters, clips. Sell repurposing packages to YouTubers. Work with brands who want omnipresence. And the best part? Clients love this because it increases their reach without increasing their workload. Skill number 4, AI video editing and timeline automation. Let me tell you the moment this clicked. I had a raw recording, full of pauses, filler words, mistakes. I uploaded it into an AI editor, and in less than a minute, all filler words removed, all silences tightened. Transcription done, jump cuts added, captions generated, multiple versions created. And for the first time, I realized the bottleneck in video isn't creativity. It's time. AI cuts that time by 70–80%. Not only that, AI can now color grade, generate B-roll, match music, auto-sync audio, and reframe for vertical. How you make money. Offer AI-powered editing packages. Create short-form vertical videos for clients. Edit podcasts. Create social media content for businesses. Charge for speed. Fast turnaround leads to premium pricing. Video remains one of the highest-paying online skills. AI just made it accessible. Skill number 5, AI writing and copy enhancement. This happened when I was writing a product description. I had the basic copy, but it felt flat. Then I had AI run it through. Emotional tone rewrite, AIDA structure, benefits mapping, objection removal, urgency rewrite, call to action enhancement. And suddenly the copy sounded confident, persuasive, compelling. AI writing isn't cheating. It's amplifying your ability. The skill isn't typing something into a chatbot. The skill is knowing what structure to apply, what angle works best, what emotional tone converts. What objections customers have, AI is the engine. You are the driver. How you make money. Writing for e-commerce stores, website copywriting, landing pages, email campaigns, social media content, product descriptions, blog post businesses pay for words that convert. AI helps you deliver them faster. Skill number 6, AI automation building, no code. Here's the moment it hit me. I was manually sending files, copying text, creating reminders, moving content between platforms, and it all felt like digital chaos. Then I built an AI automation. When a video script is approved, create tasks, send notifications, store files, update status, summarize progress, and it ran flawlessly every time. And I realized automation isn't about being smart, it's about removing friction. You don't need to code. You just need to think in systems. How you make money. Build AI workflows for small businesses. Automate lead nurturing. Automate content pipelines. Automate e-commerce tasks. Create templates and sell them. Set up AI agents for clients. Every business wants automation. Almost none know how to build it. Skill number 7, AI voice and audio enhancement. One day I was editing a podcast, and the background noise sounded terrible. AI cleaned it in seconds. Then it enhanced the voice, added warmth, boosted clarity, and made it sound like a studio recording. But it wasn't just cleaning audio. AI can now clone voices, generate voiceovers, match tone, improve pacing, add emotional inflection. This skill enables content creation at scale. How you make money. Podcast editing, AI voiceover services, audiobook production, voice cleaning for creators, course narration. Local business ads audio is exploding and AI has made it accessible for everyone. Skill number 8, AI image creation and branding. I'll never forget this moment. I needed thumbnails, fast, and I wanted a specific style. AI generated dozens of options in a few minutes, styles I didn't even know were possible. And that's when it clicked. AI isn't just generating images, it's generating brands. If you learn styling, color theory, composition, prompting, brand consistency, character continuity, you can create an entire brand identity with the click of a button. How you make money. YouTube thumbnails, logo design, brand kits, website imagery, ads and social media graphics, product mock-ups, custom avatars, book covers, clothing designs. AI has turned creativity into a service anyone can offer, if you learn how to prompt effectively. Skill number 9, AI data interpretation without coding. Here's the moment this hit me. I had analytics from multiple platforms. All messy, all confusing, all overwhelming. Then I gave it to AI and said, explain this like I'm 5. What's working? What's failing? Where should I focus next? And it generated insights that would have taken me hours. AI can interpret charts, summarize trends, generate recommendations, identify patterns, highlight red flags, predict outcomes. This skill lets you turn data into decisions. How you make money. Offering analytics summaries, rewriting complex data for clients, helping creators understand their performance, helping businesses optimize ads, monthly analytics insight services. It's not about data, it's about understanding data. Skill number 10, AI coaching and consulting. This one surprised me. I started explaining AI tools to people, and they kept asking, wait, can you just teach me how to use this? I realized people don't want tools. They want clarity. They want confidence. They want guidance. They want to know what they should use. They want someone to walk them through the chaos. You don't need to be a genius to do this. You just need to Understand a few tools well. Know the right use cases, explain things simply. Build small AI workflows. Help someone solve their problem. How you make money. One-to-one consulting, group workshops, business AI roadmaps, teaching freelancers how to use AI, helping creators integrate AI into their workflow, paid strategy sessions. This is one of the most profitable skills on this list. Skill number 11, AI personal efficiency systems. This last one might be the most important. It's the moment when AI turned from a tool into a team. I started using AI to plan my day, prioritize tasks, automate reminders, create weekly summaries, organize projects, generate checklists, remove decision fatigue. And suddenly I wasn't just using AI, I was partnering with it. This isn't a skill you sell. This is a skill that changes your life. Because when you use AI to run your schedule, habits, workflows, planning, focus, content pipeline, goals, you stop feeling overwhelmed. You start feeling unstoppable. So those are the 11 AI skills you should learn in 2025. Not to sound smart, not to impress people, but to make money online, to save time, and to future-proof your career. You don't need to master all 11. Just pick 2 or 3 and go deep. Learn how AI thinks. Learn how AI communicates. Learn how AI integrates into real workflows. Because the people who win in 2025 won't be the ones who know the most about AI. They'll be the ones who know how to use AI. And if you want me to turn this into a full series and break down each skill in detail, just type part 2 in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.